Welcome to our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure series. Today, we are unveiling the world of Identity and Access Management, commonly known as IAM in OCI. This session will lay the groundwork for understanding how IAM will play a pivotal role in securing and managing your cloud resources. So, what is the role of IAM in OCI? IAM in OCI is the cornerstone of security and user management. It's a framework that controls who has access to your OCI resources and what they can do with these resources. So let's delve a little bit into IAM and its crucial part of any cloud environment. So if we click on the hamburger menu, and we click identity and security, we'll be able to see the first menu that is in here, and this is the identity menu. Let me click on the identity menu. Okay, so as you can see in here, this is for the new users. They have first time in OCI, and when they come in here with their administrator account, they will see, if they're gonna click on domain, they're gonna see a default domain that can be used in here. Now, if you move between them and you haven't selected any compartment, you'll not be able to see anything. But in case that you selected a compartment like I did right now, you're gonna see that you have by default a default domain. So what is a default domain? A default domain or a domain, identity domain that we have in here. A domain, it is, let's say we can take it like a service, a full service that has all the resources that anyone needs to use it in the cloud or for on-premise applications, and that contains users, groups, dynamic groups that are related to your tenancy, applications that are integrated with this group. You have a lot of reports relating to the activity on the users. You have the capability to extend and let's say configure your own multi-factor authentication solutions and so on. So this is a domain very shortly presented in here. Now, before jumping to the domain, I'll go back to the identity menu. And in here, there is also a really important thing that is called compartment. Before having different identity domains where you can go and split the users between them based on the needs. You can have, let's say, a SaaS application that needs to have a different identity domain. Or you have internal users and external users, so you want to split this, because external users are much cheaper and they have the same capabilities, if you go with an identity domain for external users as the enterprise users, from a normal domain, from an enterprise a premium domain in OCI, and so on. But before having this, and before having this, let's say a new service that was called the organization management, where you have the capability to also segregate the tenancies, at the tenancy level, all the data. We had these compartments. So if you're thinking of the compartment, you can think it like a folder on your computer. So on your computer you can go and you can add additional users that have different capabilities in there. They can write data, they can copy, they can delete, and so on. So the same thing, it's applying with the compartment. Even if you have segregation through multiple tenancies, you have a test tenancy, a production tenancy, or tenancies for different customers and so on, it is also very important to do some additional role-based access control in your tenancy, like creating a different compartment for different use cases. So what I can do in here for my tenancy, because it's just new, I can create a different compartment from the beginning where I'm gonna put all my network resources, and I'm gonna name it network. I will leave it. It's the first one. I'll put it under my parent compartment. It's really important. In here we can go up to 6 levels. Total 6 levels with the child and parent compartment. So I can create a network compartment. So network resources, and I'll put everything that is related to network to this compartment to make it much easier for me. Even if I'm gonna put computer resources in another location and so on, I'll be able to go all the time and check the instances that I have in there. Now, next one that I have created is network compartment, and I want to go and create another one that will be dedicated for these demos. So I can create a demo compartment, and in this compartment I will run all the resources that I can publicly expose them. I don't care about the data because they are demos, and it tends to help you on what you want to do. Yeah, so I have this compartment, demo compartment in here, so I'll create my demo compartment also. And now that's it. Yeah, I have also two compartments created in here based on the things that I'm gonna need. Next thing that I want to do, I want to go to a domain. Yeah, if I had multiple domains or if I want to create a new domain, I press very simple. Yeah, I click on create domain and I'm gonna give it a name. Yeah, so in here by default we have the free domains, or we can go with an external one. Yeah, that helps me. Let's say I want to use an external identity domain, external identity provider. Yeah, so I don't want only three. I have, let's say, 10 different customers or something like that, or 10 different domains with different identity providers, and three is not enough for me. Then at that point I'll move from the free one and I'll update it to a premium domain. So with an update on a premium domain, yeah, it gives me unlimited identity providers. Also, I have this one. Yeah, so this is an unlimited support, yeah, for Oracle and non-Oracle applications. Yeah, it is also available in here, yeah, in the Oracle Apps Premium. Yeah, this part I can go with a lot of it, but in here there's some limitation in the free tier. So that's why I usually recommend to my customers to go with this one, with the premium, because it is not very expensive. It is $0.2 per user per month, but it gives you a lot of applications, yeah, that you can use. If you want to learn more about it, yeah, you have the help menu in here. You're gonna click it. You're gonna be redirected to the managing identity domains, and if you go down in here, you need to understand the license types for these identity domains. Okay, so in here this is for listing, but it should also overview, 1 second, of identity domains, and you have IAM identity domains types. So if you're gonna go on this link, you're gonna see everything. Yeah, the free one, the Oracle Apps license, Oracle Apps Premium, yeah, and external users. And if you go to the features part, you're gonna find the things that are available in the free tier, or you need to upgrade to a different part, a different domain. So if you want to do end user registration, this is not available in the free tier, so you need to update to on of the next services. Look for additional parts, yeah, that you want to use, yeah, that are not available in here. Maybe let's say you want to use a hosted sign-in, so that means you need to go with the premium. Okay, or if you want to do delegated authentication, yeah, with AD bridge, yeah, you need to also go to premium, and so on. So there are a lot of features, and maybe let's say if you're thinking here the number of non-Oracle application that you want to use, if you have more than 2, then free is not okay for you. You need to update it for the Oracle Apps Premium, or you need to go to the premium one if you have a lot of them and you want to use Oracle Identity Domain as your main identity provider, and so on. Okay, so I will stop in here, yeah, at this point. So I just presented you the identity domains and how to use the compartments. On my next video I will go on show you how to create users, yeah, how to go into groups and how to create the policies. Thank you for watching.